Zenfone 10 is official and there are several improvements compared to the Zenfone 9. From the front it looks identical, but it has a better upgraded 32 megapixel front facing camera, but it funnily loses the autofocus, though it still retains a 4K 30 frames per second recording. But losing the autofocus is very weird. Even the ultra wide cameras lost the autofocus this year. Now this is the major changes in the phone. It comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset with up to 16GB of RAM, which gives 15% faster processing, 20% faster gaming processing, and 15% better efficiency. All the rumors of a 5000 mAh battery has been proven wrong. It comes with only 4300 mAh battery of last year, but being a 5.9-inch display at 144Hz, which will be only applicable on the gaming games, so it will last up to 10 to 15% better than last year's version. You get a 30-watt charger in the box. It comes with a headphone jack. It comes with dual stereo speakers and a plastic bag. It comes with wireless charging of 15 watt, which is an upgrade over last year. But the biggest mistake this phone is doing is the pricing is about $50 to $100 more than last year's version. You get a plastic bag from last year's glass version. It's got a 1100 screen brightness, which is lower than the competition. It should be around 1300 to 1400. And there is no LTPO screen, though you can choose between 60, 90, 120 and 144Hz. It's got Gorilla Glass Victus on the front. The rear design has been changed. The camera lenses protruding has come down. It comes with a new generation of Gimbal Stabilization 2.0, but the clarity of the videos is still not good, so there's no point in using this gimbal anyway. It comes with 5 colors. One is ellipse red, aurora green, midnight black, comet white and starry blue palette. The cameras are the same. You get a 50 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. It comes with a light trail mode. You can use it for getting light. It comes with adaptive EIS, that is the camera itself will choose what type of EIS to use based on the video footage being recording. It comes with an environmentally conscious box with only using recycled paper and soy ink. The main problem with this phone is not the pricing or availability, is the software support. This phone is only getting 2 years of Android updates. This makes it worse than any other major makers like Motorola, Sony, Samsung, OnePlus, Oppo, Xiaomi. All gives 3 years minimum. So only 2 years for such expensive phone is very disappointing, and you'll get 4 years of security updates. That's the one thing that will kill this phone is the software support. And I had a Asus Zenfone 5G and I know what kind of software support they provide. It's rubbish.